mask. It's cover only nose, minimal area of the face. It's comfortable and less bulky. It is a good for mouth closed sleeper, nose breather and side sleeper. Now I am showing the part of the mask. This is a cushion. It's covered area of nose. This is a tube of the mask. It's a exhalation port to exhale air. This is a headgear and this is a magnetic clip. How to wear the mask? Hold the mask in one hand and place cushion gently under your nose. And with your other hand pull headgear over the top of your head and then clip this magnetic clip to secure the mask. And you can tighten these straps according to your face. Tighten it gently. Not wear mask tight, you feel uncomfortable, and not wear mask loose, it's create leak. If you feel air leak up of the nose, then you tighten the upside of the both step together. And if you feel air or leakage in down of the nose, then you tighten this downside of the straps.